Warning: watching these Python animations may cause extreme creativity. Subscribe at your own risk and enjoy the coding journey with electro4u.net. Hit to like and subscribe now. Let's start the code. Importing the turtle module. This line brings in the turtle module, which provides tools for creating graphics and animations. This line imports the Colors library, which offers functions for working with colors in different color spaces. Setting the background color .turtleBG color black. This sets the background of the drawing window to black. Adjusts the drawing speed to make the animation smoother. Setting the thickness of the lines drawn by the turtle to 1 pixel. Initializes a variable h to 0.3. Starts a loop that will repeat 250 times, creating 250 shapes. Converts an HSV color to an RGB color. Increment H for color variation. Starts the filling process for the shape. Moves the turtle forward by a distance of I pixels. Turns the turtle to the left by 100 degrees. Draws a circle with a radius of 30 pixels. Creates a small loop within the main loop to draw 2 additional line segments. Moves the turtle forward by a distance of ij pixels. Moves the turtle forward by a distance of ij pixels. Turns the turtle to the right by 108 degrees. Finishes the filling process for the shape. Keep the turtle window open. Hold your breath, folks. We're about to unleash a code-powered masterpiece. रुकिए दोस्तों, हम अब कोड की जादूगरी देखने वाले हैं. Subscribe to Electro4u for more mesmerizing animations. अधिक मंत्रमुग्ध कर देने वाले एनिमेशन के लिए Electro4u की सदस्यता लें. धन्यवाद.